This video is for grade 1 Arabic learners. In this series, we will learn Arabic step by step starting from the very basic. A giant cursive handshake party where all the 28 letters love to hold hands to make words. Now, most Arabic letters are super friendly. They have two hands. A right hand to hold the letter before them and a left hand to hold the letter after them. Depending on where they stand in line, they change their look slightly. These are the three shapes of the letter Ba. Our 28 letters are divided into 8 groups based on their shapes. The first group is the boat group. Letters from this group have the same shapes in 3 positions as the letter Ba.